access to the sewer lateral is through the yard cleanout located near the west building on the property in the grassy island with the parking lots all around. We are full extension of the camera. Footage is reading 193. We're in between two of the other of the intermittent yard cleanouts. Between the very last one before it goes to the city sewer and then the second one upstream by the pine tree. We have a little bit of water running at the mop sink to observe flow characteristics in the piping. This would be the kind of water flow we'd really want to see the whole way through. Just a slight shallow stream on the bottom. Starting to get into our cooling section. To go forward, you can see the wavy effect right around here at 167, relatively normal. So that would be the downstream end. Level starts to get tapers to start getting above the camera. We have the smaller spacer bushing on the camera currently. And right around here at the rapids is the upstream end, so 155 to 157 is the first pool on this video. Relatively normal for a minute here. Our next pool begins. We go forward just a little bit. Right around here, 146 would be the downstream end. Deep through this section. Upstream end of the pooling tapering off. Again, the rapids is about where the pooling starts, 121. 121 to 146 is that pooling section. water gets a bit deeper again, we'll go to find the downstream end. Go forward, we see the waves. Out here at 82 would be the downstream end. Then begins to get deeper through this section. You can kind of see the horizon line of the water. Looks to be over halfway up the diameter of the pipe. Pipe material is 4-inch PVC right there. It really looks like it's more like 3/4 of the way full. You can see the air kind of fluctuating on the top. Rather deep pool. Merging back out the other side. Pretty much right at this joint. Looks to be where the upstream end is. So this pooling section is about 51 to 82 feet. Another moderate section here. About 41 on the downstream end. We have a unknown Y on its back for something. Could be a test fitting. Unknown where that goes. Moderate cooling continues back. Rapids here are the upstream end at 32. So 32 to 41 is the moderate cooling section. Section of moderate cooling. Looks like downstream end is at about 30. Stays relatively moderate, but it's there. Rapids here at about 18 is the upstream end, 18 to 30. Here we have a Y joining in on the left side, which is coming from the west building. And what we have is a clean out, which is a 90 coming up. access from our clean out in our grassy area, and the sewer goes straight towards that pine tree between the side of the building to where it heads towards the city sewer.